Welcome back, guys. We're trustedshopguy.com, and today we are in the workshop. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best pipe locators. These high-tech wonders are like X-ray vision for your projects, helping you uncover buried pipes and utilities with ease. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a curious beginner, these pipe locators will be your trusty companions in the quest for buried treasures. So gear up, tap into your inner explorer, and let the pipe locators lead the way to success underground. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at trustedshopguy.com for more of our research in the workshop, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The fourth pipe locator in our list is the Mastech wire tracker test cable, which trustedshopguy.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Hear us out. We've got the lowdown on the Mastech wire tracker, and let's just say it's an affordable game changer for all of you homeowners and curious explorers out there. It's a dynamic duo of handheld units, a transmitter and receiver packed with some handy features to help you navigate the cable chaos in your space. First things first, it's super lightweight so you won't be breaking a sweat during your cable hunt. The transmitter comes with alligator clips, making it a breeze to clamp onto pipes or cables. Plus, it's got a built-in flashlight, perfect for those dimly lit basements with no power. Now, the receiver might not have all the fancy gadgets, but it's no slouch. You'll get a visual and audible alert on signal strength, so you know you're on the right track. And get this, with a simple touch of a button, you can adjust the sensitivity and volume, giving you full control like a boss. The Mastech wire tracker may not have all the bells and whistles, but it's perfect for finding broken cables, short circuits, and blown circuits. It's like having a superhero for your cable chaos, swooping in to save the day. But here's the T. It doesn't track depth or location, just signal strength, so if you're hunting for pipes, you might need to splurge on a more advanced unit. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this to those who are on a tight budget. With a Mastech wire tracker, you get all the essential features you need without the hefty price tag. The third pipe locator in our list is the Forbest 512Hz underground pipe locator, which TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 4-badge rating. Get ready to be wowed by this sleek and dynamic tool that's all about precision and speed. If you're on the hunt for the fast and accurate locating, the Forbest 512Hz underground pipe locator is your trusty companion. This tool is a game changer, designed to address your remote transmitter locating needs with finesse. The dynamic display and unmistakable on-screen markers make gauging signal strength a breeze. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, the entire 512Hz signal is captured instantaneously, letting you zero in on your targets with remarkable speed. Flexibility takes center stage, thanks to adjustable sensitivity and a near and far shift mode. These features allow you to push the searching depth to an impressive 15 inches, all while maintaining precision by keeping noise interference at bay. But let's talk simplicity. The Forbest 512Hz locator is all about straightforward functionality. A glance at its user-friendly display, a dynamic beep, and those unmistakable on-screen markers is all you need for swift, hassle-free, and spot-on locating. It's almost like having an underground treasure GPS guiding you to your targets without a hitch. Emphasizing portability, this locator is lightweight and easy to carry, making it the ultimate choice for fulfilling your remote transmitter locating needs. Whether you're dealing with Forbest cameras or other sondes equipped with the 512Hz frequency, this tool will stand by your side like a true boss. However, here's the scoop. This locator is a team player and requires a 512Hz transmitter to function. It won't operate independently, so you'll need to invest in a compatible transmitter to unleash its full potential. It's worth considering this additional cost when mapping out your budget for underground projects. The Trusted Shopping Guy team recommends this for beginners. It's designed to be user-friendly with its dynamic display and clear on-screen markers, making it suitable for those who may not have extensive experience in locating tasks. The second pipe locator in our list is the Tempo 501 Tracker 2 Professional Underground Wire Locator and Cable Tracer, which TrustedShopGuy.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. This lightweight and portable locator is the real deal when it comes to accuracy and efficiency. With a range of up to 4,000 feet and a depth of up to 7 feet, it's a master at tracing buried conductors. No more guessing games. This locator has your back. What's cool about the Tempo Communications 501 Tracker 2 is its versatility. You've got 3 connection options: direct connection, inductive clamp, or inductive antenna. It works like a charm in both active and dead systems, giving you the power to locate wires with ease. Best of all, the receiver gives you both audible and visual indicators of signal strength. Talk about efficiency. You'll be pinpointing cables like a boss, thanks to its highly adjustable settings and fully adjustable transmitter. And guess what? It's a complete kit. You get everything you need: a transmitter assembly, receiver assembly, inductive coupler, test leads with alligator clips, and a durable case. It's the full package for all your location needs, no extra hassle required. One thing to keep in mind is that this locator requires power from AA 1.5-volt batteries, which are not included in the package, so you have to purchase them separately. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for professionals in industries such as construction, plumbing, landscaping, and utilities. They will find this locator highly valuable for its accuracy and efficiency. It's designed to handle a wide range of location tasks, making it a valuable asset for various projects. The best pipe locator in our list is the RIDGID 19238 NaviTrack Scout Locator, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. This locator may be compact, but don't let its size fool you. It's packed with power to handle even the most challenging underground locations. If you're working with sea snake cameras, remote transmitters, or flushable SAW transmitters, this bad boy is your go-to sidekick. Let's talk tech. The RIDGID NaviTrack Scout rocks multi-directional technology. That means the antenna constantly sees the entire signal from any direction. No more guessing games. It's all about accurate results without those pesky false peaks or nulls. And hold up, it gets even better. This locator offers not 1, not 2, but 4 SOD and 5-line trace mode frequencies. That's right, real-time signal strength with no funny business. You'll be navigating underground like a pro. But that's not all. The package includes a carrying case, surface marker chips, an instructional video, an operator's manual, and 4C-cell batteries. They've got you covered with all the tools you need for smooth and efficient locating missions. In terms of guidance, this locator's got your back. The micro mapping verifies the locate position and hooks you up with on-screen markers of distinctive poles. It's like having a trusty guide right in your hands, leading you straight to your target with automatic depth calculations. However, while this locator offers multiple indicators for detecting both metallic and non-metallic pipes and cables, it might not be the best option for locating certain non-metallic materials or conduits with low connectivity. For such specialized tasks, you might need to explore locators specifically designed for those materials. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this to those who have a big budget since it's a bit pricey. And there you have it, folks, our best pipe locators, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for next pipe locator roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our workshops great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.